Good morning, tutor and mates. My name is Brian Cyrus Carrillo. I am from Group 28, and this is the video required in tax number 4, Practical Component Education and Pedagogical Practice, from the course Technology in Foreign Language Teaching. My tutor is Marta Jimena Linares Monroy, and I'm going to explain here the project I have already designed in my final job. Okay, there we go. The title of the project is Difficulties in the Technology Access to Apply Virtual Lessons. That is a situation that was very common. At the school, I was developing my practical process. Humberto Gómez Nigrin's School in Piedecuesta, Santander. So, first of all, the project objective, what is? Is to establish or to show to you, present to you, the difficulties I face through my practical process in the way of applying virtual lessons. Because besides there were smart TVs in each classroom, internet connection wasn't powerful enough for or wasn't available all the time. And of course, most of the students didn't have internet connection in their devices because they come from a lower level families. And of course, it made difficult or almost hard to apply virtual lessons. So I have to implement or design or apply different strategies and methodologies to develop the lessons. The problem situation, besides the school head teacher and administratives have tried to improve the internet service at school, of course, it isn't enough because from each level, I mean 6, 7, 8, that is high school, until 11, there are 4 classrooms. It means that there are like almost 1,000 students in the morning. So it is impossible to have a good connection with the resources the government provide to the school to develop virtual classes. So as I said before, it was quite hard to apply virtual lessons, but I used different strategies. And the period background, as I said, all the efforts done by the head teacher, Omar Suarez Mejia, to get the resources from the government, municipal government, national government, and departmental government haven't been enough because the governments don't care about education in Santander. Okay, and around Colombia too. They use the resources destined or was supposed to be used in education, and of course, the acquisition of equipments and many other things in different activities because of the corruption that exists here in Colombia. That is a big problem we have had during the last centuries, let's say like that. Because this process of this problem of corruption has been present in Colombia always, has been always been present in Colombia. So I implement a different strategy that was creating a WhatsApp group in order to avoid students to take photocopies or force them to what? To have the internet connection in the class. By the WhatsApp group, I passed them the links of the virtual material and guides used during, before, during, and after the class. These links could be seen or played, let's see, by them in their houses when it is possible, because most of them don't have internet connection at homes. As I said, because they come from low level families. So, so I was very excessive, or I was very sensible about this situation. because I can't force or I couldn't force them to have or to develop an activity if they weren't available too. So that by this WhatsApp group too, I send to them any kind of information or remind them about a quiz or even a homework. Because as you know, nowadays students, they are thinking in just in playing online or having fun with friends or doing different activities, except studying. Besides that, most of them had good results. The theoretical framework that I used was a look in Google Academic. I check a reference from this page, and this is the author. And the article I consult or I use in the references of this project is the effectiveness of technology and enhanced language learning methods. March 2024, page 165. In my Word document that you're going to see in the evaluation environment and also in the forum from the virtual campus, you're going to see the analysis I made with this project, which I think is very important to establish. And and I also thanks to the teacher from UNAD because they were sensible too with us because as we didn't have the opportunity to apply virtual lessons, they provide to us different options to develop our activities. And what else can I say? This problem has been very useful to show the difficulties and obstacles we lived through, or I lived through the practical process in this academic period. And I have had during all my practical process since I started the career. Okay, so here are the references consult or looked or studied in the development of this project. Thank you, tutor Marta Jimena, and thanks my mates. Remember, my name is Brian Cairos Carrillo. I am from Group 28. See you in the next opportunity. Thanks everything for your, thank you so much, sorry. Thank you so much for your support. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, bye-bye.